They were just walking by me casually and they just go like, and one of them goes like, "Aap bahut sundar ho." And I'm like, what? On duty?
All right, but now is the moment that you guys have been waiting for, which is talking to Hani Amir. I'll be taking questions directly from you guys. So, who is interested to ask questions to Hani Amir? Yep? Anyone? Anyone from this side? All right, you please. Yes, you. The first one, Zohra. Yes, yes.
Hi.
Mike, please.
Thank you. Hi, Hania.
Hi.
I'm Zohra.
Hi, Zohra. I was gonna say I'm Hania.
Before you ask the question, just to give you a clarification, I had to be a little biased, so this is my wife.
How does he look tonight?
100 on 10.
Let's go.
Okay, so I was thinking we all make mistakes, grave or something we let go easily as well. So, for you as a professional, in your profession, what mistake do you think is okay to make?
She's asking in my profession or in life also, right?
Yeah, sure.
What mistake is okay to make? I think you should be okay with the fact that making mistakes is okay. Because, thanks. I'm poetic like that. So if you don't make mistakes, you will never learn. And if you never learn, you'll never grow. So yeah, for emotional maturity, any sort of maturity, if you want to grow in life, it's very important to not take everything too seriously, not at least yourself too seriously, and continue to make mistakes so you can learn from them. Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
Any more questions, guys? Who's excited? Yep. I can see Tashfi Amin. Can I have a mic for her, please?
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Tasvia. I'm such a big fan and you look so pretty today.
Thank you so much.
I'm sure you get compliments like this very often, right?
Only today. Only today.
I refuse to believe that, but what's your favorite compliment from a fan?
Oh, from a fan. Actually, today, it's not my favorite compliment, but the way it happened is my favorite. So, my favorite compliment, two things. My favorite compliment, somebody once said that I have a really good heart. I don't know if they're right or wrong, but I really liked it. And
Number
today,
two is the moment I said I need glasses for her shine. Yes, I know. Thank you.
And today, when I was walking by, I was with security, and one of the people from the team just walking by me, their job was to get me safely to my room. They were just walking by me casually, and they just go like, and one of them goes like, "Aap bahut sundar ho." And I'm like, what? On duty? I think that was really sweet. Thank you.
so much. Who is excited from this side? Anyone? Oh, I can see Nodi. Nodi, please ask your question. Can we have a mic for Nodi? So basically, this
Is she your sister?
No.
Yes, I am.
Not my real sister, but she is like a sister.
See?
All of these people are like my sisters because my wife is sitting right here. So, of course, all of them are my sisters. Nodi, ask away.
So, hi, Hania.
Hello.
Looking very, very gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
I wanted to ask, what's the most exciting and interesting part about your career?
My career? That if anyone has something bad to say, they'll say it behind my back and never to my face.
Of course, always behind the back.
I love that.
Yeah.
They'll always be nice to me. I like that.
Right.
It's really nice.
Any more questions? Okay, the first girl here.
Oh, wow.
Hello,
Cute
honey.
dress. Hi.
I'm the biggest fan of you, and
Thank you
I am
so
a
much.
bigger fan
Bigger
of.
than him?
What was the name of the role she played, the movie?
I am a bigger fan of Sharjina.
Let's go. Thank you. Thank you.
My name is Pratiti, and the question I want to ask you is,
If you weren't an actress, what other profession would you have chosen?
I don't know. I
Influencer? Creator?
Yeah, I am an influencer. A singer?
Yeah.
I can't sing to save my life. I can sing, I swear, I can only sing in front of my own phone's camera. Nowhere else. I don't have the confidence. Maybe I would be good at comedy. Maybe some stand-up.
For
Yeah.
sure.
You're good at everything.
Nahi, sorry, I was going to start speaking Urdu. No, I've been doing some comedy, man. You've been laughing, no? Thanks.
Thank you. Any more questions from this side? Yes, the girl from the first row. Faria Tasnim, yes.
First row, yeah.
Hi, Hania. I'm Fariha, and we are the Billboard fangirls. If you remember.
Oh, I reposted your video.
Yes. Okay, so I have a very simple question for you. Do you have any unusual travel essential that you carry with you all the time?
Unusual travel essential.
Anything, or it could be something usual, but it has to be with you every time you.
Oh, it's not, I don't know. It's like an LED mask. Maybe.
Ooh.
That's too like, yeah, but yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right. Any more questions from this side? I can see Mehnaz. Yes, Mehnaz.
They're all looking lovely tonight.
Yep. All dressed up for you.
Hi, Hania. My name is Mehnaz.
Hi.
You just mentioned you're an actress, content creator, influencer. So, as we all know, with great fame comes great internet negativity. So, how do you gracefully handle social media criticism?
I don't look at it.
Great.
Like if you don't look at it, it's because sometimes, it like you wouldn't choose to be around negative people. So just like that, social media is also the same. If you surround yourself with a lot of negativity, if you on purpose try and look for bad things about yourself, it will always affect you. So try and stay away from it. If something blows out of proportion, you'll find out. So don't look at it every day. That will be my advice.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So most of them are content creators here. So I think you should take this advice. Don't look at those negative things most.
Yeah,
All
yeah, they
right?
don't know what they're saying. You guys are doing great. Don't worry about it. Yeah.
Anyone from this side again? All right, I can see Aisha. Yes.
Hi, Hania. I'm
Hi.
Aisha. I hope you're having a good time in
I
Bangladesh. That's great. So my question is, which project are you the most proud about, like till now, and why?
There was this one drama I did. What was its name? It's called Sangema. And in that, I had to have a different dialect.
Right.
We spoke a different language from Peshawar. So not Peshawar, but Pashto. And that I had to pull off, and I don't know how I did it, but now that I watch myself on screen, I'm like, I have no idea how I did it. So I'm slightly proud of myself for that.
That's great, mashallah. Thank you.
Lovely. All right, we had a lot of questions. We'll take one last question. Anyone from this side? I can see Medha. Medha, please stand up. So the tip for all of you guys, whoever knows me well gets to ask questions. Yes?
Hello, Hania. I'm literally starstruck. I'm shaking.
Because of him, right?
No, because of you, of course. I'm getting blinded by your shine.
Yeah. Don't copy my line.
So I wanted to ask, how do you find balance between your personal life and also the spotlight, constant spotlight that comes with being a celebrity? And it's the hardest part of it.
Yeah, I don't.
Do you find anything hard?
I try and enjoy my work.
Okay.
So that's how I don't have to separate my personal and my work life. Like, wherever I'm working, I try and have fun, and all of the people that I work with have become like family. So it's fun. I enjoy it on the go. Yeah. Thank you.
All right, guys, thank you so much. We are done with question and answer.